Back in my flying days as a former naval flight officer, situational awareness was a key to mission success. It still is. Ever heard the phrase check six? In aviation, it means clear your 6 o'clock, look behind you so you know what's out there, what's coming, and what you might have missed. Pilots use it to stay alive and stay ahead. Turns out it's a pretty great approach to financial planning too. That's why I built the CheckSix Client Discovery System. It's not just a checklist. It's a way to really see your whole financial picture, past, present, and future. We use thoughtful surveys and honest conversations to uncover what matters most to you, the stuff that's often confusing or left unsaid. So instead of wrestling with vague goals or unanswered questions, you'll walk away with clarity, confidence, and a plan that fits you. Like a pilot scanning the horizon, you'll know exactly what's next and what you need to do about it. Ready for your own financial check six? Let's talk. Schedule a discovery call or visit our website to learn more.